home from work, there's been progress in the bathroom. Floor is down, bath is in, taps are plumbed in. We need the rest of the tiling done. More tiling's been done behind the sink. The radiator needs to be plumbed in. The tiling obviously needs to be finished and then needs to be grouted, but it's really looking like a bathroom now. Love, love, love how this looks. This is the unit that we picked up from a relative's house that we've inherited. I still need to treat it with something because it's not treated, and obviously it's wood, so that does need to be treated, but I think it looks so good against the green tiles with the gold taps with the basin on the top. Looks beautiful.
Huge. It's ginormous. My feet can, in the other bath, my feet could
touch the end.
And now, look, it can't.
Gonna have a bubbly bath in there when it's done?
Yeah.
We're back from Getting.
We are.
And we didn't buy loads, trying not to buy so much for the house, but we did buy a couple of things. First thing we bought is this mirror. It has got a chain which I think we're going to have to shorten, but I'm hoping that this will go above our lovely new sink unit in the bathroom. Needs a good clean, but maybe we'll take it up there and hold it up and see what it looks like.
Yeah.
And we got this one, a really cute little cheese dish. It'll be a long time until we have this out because we will keep this to go into the kitchen. But really cute Royal Copenhagen blue and white cheese dish, and I think we're going to have some of this blue in the kitchen and white units and wooden worktops, so it should all look nice. And then the last thing, a bit of a beast.
Something we've wanted for a very, very long time, but never really ever had the room to put
anywhere.
However, we really, really like this. Cards.
A big world map. It's two-sided, so there's a political side and a physical side. Looks like it's come out of a school, somewhere like that. But it's really cool. And I think we will have it on the wall in here. So we haven't even attempted to decorate or do anything in this room yet, but eventually we're thinking maybe this could go in here.
Yeah.
Fits, actually. I like it. You counting them, Flo?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So strong.
Maybe a more. Pass them to me.
Hello.
It's getting there. Got grouting on pretty much all the tiles on the walls. The white grouting is done,
It's a bit dusty at the moment.
but it's just looking more finished, isn't it, with the grouting? And I think the white grout was a really good choice. Looks good with the green tiles.
This just brushes off, it's just where they've been working.
Just needs to be cleaned. This week's jobs in the bathroom are finish the grouting, grout the floor, finish the little cupboard over this side.
Oh, that's a new addition as well, isn't it?
So we've got a little cupboard built in there, just to put cleaning bits in, need a door on there, and a shelf above it. And then they're going to finish bonding and filling the walls and the ceiling and give it a sand down so we can paint them.
We need to try a mirror in here.
Yeah, should we bring it up? Got it. I think it looks really good. Fits just right, really.
Needs a good clean.
Needs a good clean. And it's really, really heavy, so we need to make sure we hang it with the right stuff into that wall.
It suits the style though, I think.
Yeah. It's got a nice beveled edge. Pretty. Planters are in and looking good. We've got some slate around the edge to tidy it up a bit, and we're just going to top them up with some soil.
What are we going to grow in here then?
I've already planted some lettuce, carrots and beetroot from seed that's growing inside, so I'm going to bring them out, put them in here. Beetroot. All done. Netting over, veggies planted. I think we may have planted them a little bit too late, but let's see how they go. Just turn on our nifty little light switch. More bathroom progress. We have glass in our shower and our valves and shower head is in. Our builder has added some edging just to finish off the shower tray around here, which looks good. This all still needs to be grouted. And he's also adding a skirting board along the bottom just to tidy up those edges. That will obviously be painted white. Taps are on the wall. This unit that we've got that the basin is going to sit on, we are going to sand down tonight, ready to varnish it before it's fitted. We noticed it's covered in I think it's a wax, and we've just been scraping it as much as we can, and it's lifting all of this wax layer off before we varnish it, but there's a lot of it. Also got a little cupboard built in the corner now with the door. That's on there. That would be perfect for cleaning stuff. And then we'll have a shelf fitted above there.